Today in this video we are going to see about the offense relating to human body, in which we are going to see a part of the offense called hurt and grievous hurt. That is on the body what the offense can be made. There are lot of things are there, and in which we are going to see a part of harm done on the physical body, that is called hurt and grievous hurt, which is coming under section 319 to 338. That is totally 320 sections we are going to see in this topic, which is coming under IPC 1860. இந்த தமிழிலே இந்த தலைப்பின் கீழ் உடம்பில் ஊறு விளைவித்தல் அல்லது அஃபென்ஸ் விளைவித்தல், கிரைம் விளைவித்தல் என்ற தலைப்பின் கீழ் ஹர்ட் காயம் விளைவித்தல், கொடுங்காயம் விளைவித்தல் என்ற இரண்டு தலைப்பின் கீழ் பார்க்க இருக்கின்றோம். அந்த காயம் என்பது ஒரு சிம்பிள் இன்ஜரி ஆர் அதற்கு பெயர் அதை வாலண்டரியாக செய்வதற்கும், இதே கிரீவியஸ் ஹர்ட் என்பது கொடுங்காயம் விளைவித்தல் அல்லது ஸ்டாபிங், த்ரோயிங் ஆஃப் ஆசிட் அண்ட் making the wound by the animal and causing blood and blowing. So all these things which are coming under this offenses relating to grievous hurt, and the punishment also will be dealt. Now we will see one by one. Section 319, whoever causes bodily pain or disease or infirmity means that is cannot do anything to any person is said to cause hurt. So a person causing hurt to another person, that is the hurt may be bodily pain or disease or infirmity. These three things when done by one person to another person is called hurt. And then voluntary, section 321, voluntarily causing hurt. So when a person knows that the harm done on another, with the knowledge it will cause hurt to another person, then it is called voluntarily causing hurt. That is voluntarily, wantonly he is causing hurt. He know pretty well that the blow or anything, something which is done will cause hurt to another person. That's called voluntarily causing hurt. And punishment is also spelled out in section 323, that is 1 year jail term or punishment or fine or both. Then now we will see the grievous hurt. The grievous hurt is a form of serious hurt. So according to the grievous gravity of the hurt, it is defined as hurt or grievous hurt. The grievous, what are the kind of grievous hurt which is designated as grievous hurt, that we will see. First, emasculation. Emasculation means the removal of penis and the testis is known as emasculation. So castration is the removal of testis and making the person that is the manliness is removed, that is called castration. Emasculation means the removal of penis and the testis, that is called emasculation. Secondly, that is performing privation of sight of either of the eye, that is the eyesight is removed, that is secondly. Thirdly, performing privation of the hearing of either of ear, that is any one of the ear is made as he cannot hear the sound. So it's like by means of hurt, the ear will not hear the sound. That is another thing. And then fourthly, privation of any member or joint in the body. If they do anything which makes them motionless or something done on the body part, that is called privation of any member, or sometimes joint. Even the joint will be will not work, that is called the privation of joint. Fifthly, that is the privation of impairing of the power of any member of joint. And the joint will be made as the disfigurement of joint, or the joint will not work. That is called the impairing of power or any member of joint. Sixthly, disfigurement of head or face. That is we cannot identify the person's face by the injury caused. That is disfigurement. Figuring that we can identify the person. Disfigurement means the something, the nose will be cut or something in the figure in the face. Some injury, the injury caused will not make it to identify. That is disfigurement of the head or face. Then seventhly, fracture or dislocation of a bone or teeth. Dislocation of teeth like extraction, or the fracture, that is doing fracture in the bone. These are all grievous hurt. And age 3, hurt endangering life. Even sometimes the hurt caused may endanger his life. It may end his life, and that too within 20 days. And not to follow ordinary suits. These are all not to follow ordinary suits. This is called grievous hurt. If the grievous hurt causes something fatal to within 20 days, or it is extended for 20 days, then it is called grievous hurt. Then section 322, voluntarily causing grievous, that is intending or knowingly the hurt, will be doing some grievous hurt which will impair something in the bodily or joint. That is called voluntarily causing grievous hurt. And voluntarily causing grievous hurt by dangerous weapons. Sometimes they may use dangerous weapons also. That is the instruments they will use they will be for shooting or stabbing or cutting, and it may likely to cause death. Even poison, that is giving of poison, and corrosive substance, that is sometimes corrosive substance also given. For these things will be coming under voluntarily causing hurt by dangerous weapons. That is, for this the punishment is 3-year imprisonment with fine or both. Then section 325, punishment for grievous hurt, and then for that 7 years shall also be liable to fine. So that is 7 years imprisonment is given, plus fine also is made. Then section 324 to 338 specifically says about grievous hurt under aggravating situation, that is circumstances. Sometimes when in aggravating situation, a person may do some grievous hurt to another person. That is called the circumstances causing grievous hurt. That is, it says about, it is spelled out in section 324 to 338, that for this the minimum punishment is 10 years punishment extended to life imprisonment with fine. And section 326, voluntarily causing grievous hurt by dangerous weapon or means, that is explosive may be used to make a person grievous hurt, and then deleterious substance also may be given to inhale the things. Suppose it may be some deleterious substance. If he inhales, then it may be detrimental to his life. Then to swallow something will be given, deleterious substances, and then receive blood by means of the animal's activity. For this the punishment is 10 years imprisonment plus fine, or liable for both. Then next 326b, voluntarily throwing acid. Sometimes when during aggravated times, one person throw acid on another, that is to at least to throw acid, that is coming under section 326b. Then 327, the causing hurt, voluntarily causing hurt to extort property, that is to take away the property of another, then voluntarily causing grievous hurt. You give the property, otherwise under the by doing grievous hurt, the property is extorted, that is taken away, and that is called that is under coming under section 327. 328, voluntarily causing hurt by means of poison. Sometimes even the poison is given, and for that voluntarily causing hurt. And 329, voluntarily causing hurt to extort property or constrain to illegality, or to do making him other to do illegal activity. For that some grievous punishment is given, that is called that is coming under section 329. 330, voluntarily causing hurt with a confession, and he will make the other to confess that I will do, by fearing for the he will fear for the grievous hurt, and here the other has to give confession that I will do this and that. That is called that is coming under 330. And 331, voluntarily causing grievous hurt to say confession or to compel restoration of property. Sometimes you give the property, restore the property, you for that you give confession like that. For that they will give some grievous hurt. Then voluntarily causing hurt to restraining, to make the public servant from his duty, to restrain the public servant from duty. For that they will do grievous hurt, cause hurt. And then causing hurt to restrain public servant from his duty also, that is also spelled under 333. 334, causing hurt on provocation. Sometimes on provocation they will do the hurt, that is coming under 334. 334 is also causing hurt on provocation. Section 326, act endangering life. Sometimes the grievous hurt is made for the endangering of life, that is act endangering life is coming under section 336. 337, act endangering life or personal safety of other, that is coming under section 337. 338, causing grievous hurt by act endangering life. So by making grievous hurt, it may endanger the life of another person. So these are all coming under offences relating to hurt and grievous hurt. So with this we complete this video.